Hello, welcome back. I'm Clement. So now talking about lesson 3. So lesson 3, we also learned about the five elements, the matter, water, wood, fire and earth. 金水木火土. So we talk about the producing and the clashing. So matter produce water, water produce wood, wood produce fire, fire produce earth. Whereas for clashing is matter clash wood, so by chopping. So wood clash earth by breaking out the earth. So earth traps the water, so it clash the water. So water traps the fire, clash the fire. So then fire also melts the matter. So all these are the clashing. So we also talk about the 10 heavenly stems. So the 甲乙丙丁戊己庚辛壬癸. Okay, and also we talk about the three nobles. Nobles, the 乙, 丙 and 丁. So 甲 is the emperor 嘛. So 乙 is the sister. So 乙 controls the 庚. 庚 which is the enemy. So 丙 is the son and 丁 is the daughter. So as long as the achievement box has any of these three nobles, so it will be a very good box. So then we also talk about the commanders. So commanders are the rest, the 戊己庚辛壬癸. So Wu is the so-called the leader of the commander. Then for outcome, we look at the hour stem of the 8 pillars of the current hour chart. And also for the asker or the subject, we look at the day stem. So we also encounter the Fu-yin chart and the Fan-yin chart. So Fu-yin chart is where the two stems are the same for all the boxes. So and also this shows that the big picture will be a long, painful and draggy. So everything is not moving. But if the answer box has ting plus ting, so ting above and the below as ting, then it overrides the Fu-yin chart and it becomes a good outcome. Then for the Fan-yin chart is where the stems are flipped for their respective opposite palaces. So it means things can change very fast, flip-flop. And so we learn about the emptiness. So you can see the DE. So DE in the box. So we will look at the opposite box if the DE falls in the answer box. So we don't look at the opposite box if the DE is in the asker or the subject box. So for more details, so stay tuned for my next video.